So, now, post count is up again. Just to show, we asked for a new forum, and this has again 30 posts and 100,000 views. It's just as soon as you post something meaningful, it's just full of bots. Probably to train AI, I don't know. So the one with the most views. So that's the 60,000. So here I shared this. Code. The thing is, on Discord, I have to do it on Discord. I will do it later on Discord. So it's now 900 shares and 900 pages here, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, so that aligned. So the problem is, so the the 3-4 most important discussions. Well, here it got shut down before. Before the bots took over completely. So the longest ongoing or the longest thread was on COVID. So a lot of the Republicans I mentioned, they are complete anti-vaxxers. So not just So most for the most part the population was not, I would guess, not well educated and Republican, also Trump voters. And there was one example. So somehow some of them are not that far from QAnon, or there is Northern Cross is a Holocaust kind of denier, and so they had somehow access to the Pfịzer trial, so that study, and I don't know how they got access to that paper, but it was I think a fourth stage trial or something. So where the vaccine was tested, and then that was all in the right-wing media, not just on our board. So based on that, they had numbers like that. More than. So there were 40,000 people that were participated in this trial, something like that, and there were more than around 3,000 that died from those 40,000 during those tests, the trial. Now they came up with numbers the Republicans. They have no education. They are not even able to juggle those kind of percentages and numbers. So you had to you had to calculate for them, like, if that was actually the fatality rate. Like that's well, that's also like 20%, right? 2,000 of 40,000. So they like we would have noticed, right, if that many died because of the vaccine. But that was basically the talking point by like Newsmax and the real right-wing media based on this leaked study. And then I looked at the study. It's a perfectly normal like paper, and I was able to point out the interesting parts. So they are not able to. So that was before AI assistants, right? But they are not able to. So it's like 7 pages, a normal paper, very simple, just an overview, and like they are not able to read that on. So it was all about how they acquired it and that it was like taken down, and so that part. So they felt like the whistleblowers, and then you look at it, and there are 4 interesting cases. So there were 4 complications in 40,000, and they discussed those 4 cases. The rest, well, they used a test group that was like dying anyways, right? So that's makes sense, right? And they like some got it. I was surprised. So there are more than you think that actually don't like to be labeled like complete nutbags, right? But the usual suspects, they are just used like on every other platform, like on X and so on. You will never get resistance or whatever they have, like those Facebook groups, and like there you will always get reassured in your like yeah, it's just a bubble. It's just an echo chamber, and that was like the biggest success in that regard. Like that's what would be needed in the bigger landscape, like worldwide. That doesn't mean at all that like I'm actually so I'm really critical about this kind of dependency, especially with COVID, because you actually, if you would just put a third of research into like specifically targeting this kind of virus, we would have a different treatment now that actually but that's the issue, that wouldn't sell. And if there are not like the boosters, so that's the problem. That part is true as well. It's just a big business opportunity for pharma, right? And the issue is that, again, they just don't dare to like have a full understanding of an issue, because, well, that's like, of course, that's quite time intensive, and like but when you did it in one case, then it's much like once you kind of overcome the first like paper, then the rest well, it's not always the same, like like hurdle for, yeah, but like it doesn't help, like it will not change the, but I wanted to, so the interesting part for me is that somehow post count there was a Heinrich. Now it's already down again, I guess. I should have used the opportunity. No, like so that was this one, and like it's very, like I'm very familiar with like the software, right? So the thing is, if you so I think the thing is, if you copy it like this, if you copy it like this, in Discord, like it's automatically like edited in a way that you can just copy paste it to Royal Road. Hosting images works the same as well. No, that didn't work. So if I no, but what did I do last time? So I think if I copy this, maybe. So somehow you can just copy paste it. It works strangely. It works in emails. No, that didn't work. That didn't become a link either. I don't remember what I did last time. So, but I wanted to like so something like this. Nah, I don't know how that works. So, like, or if I copy like the, how did I do that? How did I do that last time? I don't remember. It somehow works that you can, or maybe just this. Yes, that should work. And now, and it gives a proper preview. That's what I meant. Yeah. So like for everything you like copy from here, you get like for a homepage, if I'm not mistaken. So it's the same in GMX, for example, as well. No, I like you would need to, but you can just, yeah. So like here, so it will give you a preview like a homepage. And now, what works as well is I can just copy this, and paste it. So now I need 901 pages, right? So the right. And like this is so much better than, so that was definitely worth to invest, so that the story got accepted. So now this is not loading as well, but like because it's so much better than any like blogging site available. Doctide post count is still much better as well, in my opinion. So like it just works, like hosting pictures and so on. So this is where I got banned, but I want an extra page, so I just have to like add it here. And now it's automatically linked. So that's just and now I can even Now I can even play. Oh no, I have to save it. But then I can even play, and that was what attracted the most bots, I guess, because they then kind of assume that this is automatic, like uh, AI code, but it isn't, right? So it's AI assisted code, and it works, right? So you can like upgrade and then you have to run the dungeon and upgrade, and at some point you will get you will get the Xbow, and then you attempt the next upgrade, and then yeah, so it's like that's basically the basically already what all those games they pay microtransactions. Diablo, Asheron's Call, it's nothing more than that. But yeah, so like now I can go again for 1616, the death year of Shakespeare.